Hello again, beautiful. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm Jennifer Estil, the founder and digital designer of CanvaConcepts.com, and today I'll share with you a tutorial on how you can use Canva templates for your designs, with a bonus that I'll be giving you my own designed Canva templates that you can use for free. Before we get started, please like this video if you find this tutorial helpful, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more design and Canva related videos. With that, let's get started! Let's start by opening first your web browser and putting in the URL bit.ly/raspberry collection to access my template, and you should see a window that says a template created by Jennifer Estil was shared with you, and start designing now. In this, you can see all of the templates that I made inside, and just click on the buttons there to view it, and once you're ready to design, just click that button and it will immediately go to your Canva dashboard if you're logged in, and then choose which of the templates that you're going to use. Let's just use this one, the fourth one, code number 4, and you can edit all of the elements inside. Just like this one, I've edited the text, the title, and let's just say this is a blog title that you can use for your social media post to promote your new blog. Okay, so we change that to how to use a Canva template, and let's just change the name there. Okay, and then you can also change the picture that's inside of that box or frame, and just click in photos to choose free stock photos from Canva. You can double click the photo inside to adjust the crop, and you can change the color of the font. I've typed in orange here just to match the new photo. Okay, that's changed, and let's say we change this to a different color as well, to a deeper red. And also let's change the well, we can just change or adjust the color of the photo. Now let's increase the brightness and the contrast. You can do this on your own depending on what you see is better for your graphic. Okay. And let's just change the font of the name. Let's change it to Laura. We can type it in there and it will just show it's free. The ones with the crowns there, that's for premium use. If you sign up with a Canva account with me, you can use your Canva credit to purchase that font that you like. And we're now changing the font of the title to this handwriting here, and we can enlarge it just by dragging the corners later. Then I'm just adjusting the height there. Now we'll adjust the size by dragging the corners. Okay, and then centering it. It's very automatic for the guidelines, and once you're finished with the graphic, you can hit download and choose what file format would you like this to be exported. It can be PNG, JPEG. For this, I'll use PNG. You can also select either all of the templates inside of this file, or just choose one, which is the code number 4, and click download. Once this bar is finished, all of your downloads will be or can be found in your downloads folder. You can see here that you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. You can use the link that I have below for you to access that. And finished product here. And there you go. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and see you on the next videos. Bye!